This is series 4 of the new LOL furniture packs. It's called Cozy Zone. That's the only one that we saw. Series 4. These are not supposed to be out in the stores, but we got our hands on one of them. And as you can see, they're arguing for it. Okay, give her something to unwrap. Could you show us the little blind bag?
Whoa, that's so cute. I'm gonna open this one. Look at the mirror. And you can also make the hearts.
How cute is this packaging? It's recyclable. This is where, what was in here, Michelle? Let me see.
The bed?
Let me see the bed if I could show. This is the bed.
Oh, I want to open this one.
It looks like the one that we had in the first series.
I got the doll! Look how cute is she.
She comes with like a little pillow type of situation.
Two.
How many pillows? Let me see. 2. Be super careful with the little shoes. What is this?
A bottle.
She gets a little black sippy cup.
Sure. Oh, pillow.
Here's another little pillow.
Okay.
This is very soft. This one's kind of firm and hard, like cotton-like. Oh, and it has this really cute blanket.
Oh my gosh, look at her.
This is the blanket with like thunderstorm. I guess she's like a golf type of girl. And she comes with these little glasses. We wanted to do a cuter unboxing, but these girls always, they get too excited. This is the real deal.
Oh my
She
gosh.
gets this cute little black skirt. That kind of reminds me to like the skirt of the Britney Spears one on the Hair Goes one. And then a black top, which is really cute. Also reminds me of like the Addams Family. What was her name? Wednesday's outfit a little bit. It has a little zipper right there on the side. And this turns into a play set.
And look at her toy robot.
Let me see. And she's also included with a little robot. If you remember the series where you collect the little car, the pieces of the car. What was that series called? I don't remember. The little ones, and you get like a little toy. She gets that. And what else did she get, Celine? Let me see. Ugh. A cute little mirror. This kind of reminds me of the Queen Bee version. If you ever got the furniture pack with Queen Bee, that's what it is. Let me see if we could open this up. There we go.
Her place is going to look so cute.
Can you dress her up?
Sure.
Make sure there's nothing on the baggies, because you guys could lose them.
Mommy, do you have that?
Okay.
They want to have
And this is what it looks like inside. Very cute. Cute little portrait right there. Did you dress her up already, Celine?
No.
So let's put this here.
I think she can color change because she have a little outfit.
Does she have like the little instructions?
Yeah. What is it?
And these are the cute little shoes. Little just black shoes. And let's see the instructions.
They come in. Not yet. She's not dressed. Ding dong. Mama.
So, she's a crier. And this is what it has.
Aw, she's sad.
I don't think she's a color change. But did you finish already, Celine? Fixing it?
I keep putting on the clothes. Oh my gosh, look at these cute pants.
Look at her cute little face.
That is so cute.
From the original series, we never collected her. We never got her. That's why we got this one.
So we need to get the other one. her sis. Hi.
Okay, say bye. Merry
Bye.
Christmas.
Bye. Merry
That's
Christmas.
a little set.